How to add bus booking on MakeMyTrip. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm gonna guide you on how can you add bus booking on MakeMyTrip. Now to book a bus on MakeMyTrip, you just want to make sure to go to the My MakeMyTrip app first thing first, log into your account. There, you just want to make sure to go ahead and look for bus. So once you locate the bus section, you just want to make sure to go ahead and select the bus icon. Once you go to the bus section, what here you need to do is, once you go to this section, then you just want to input your starting city, destination, travel date, and a number of passengers. After which you want to browse available bus filter, AC, non-AC, sleeper, and select your desired seat as well. After which you have to enter the passenger's first and a last name, phone number, and email address as well. And you want to check for available coupon code, select a payment method, and complete the transaction as well. And once booked, your ticket will be sent by email and SMS, and you can access it under My Trip section. And this is how you're going to add bus booking on Make My Trip. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in a next video.